up with you, friend? My camera is like crying to be changed. Okay. Hey everyone. Oh my, it's been a minute, huh? I know this channel comes and goes like my moods, but I'm really happy to be here again and film and enjoy, because filming for me is something very... Is this interrupting? Because filming for me is actually something really special, and it's something that I do just because I love it. That's it. So in today's video, we're going to create a couple of projects for the house, and I'm really excited to share them with you because I'm actually pretty happy with the outcome. So if you're interested in making your house prettier and cozier, stick with me. I'll hook you up. All right, the first thing that we're going to do today is wooden bead rings for napkins. For this project, you'll need twine, and this is like a macrame cord, and I think I actually will go with that one because it's more delicate and it's just, I like it better. Also wooden beads, scissors, and yeah, that's it. This project is actually really quick, but I think it's really cute. One sec. Okay, so first thing you gotta I put around 10 to 11 beads through the cord, depending on how thick your napkin is. Okay, now we have our beads on the cord. Now we're gonna leave this to the side just for a minute, and next step is to create our tassel. So you're going to need used box or your phone to create your tassel, whatever size works for you. And we start wrapping around our cord around the box. Now we're gonna get the scissors and cut the bottom of the tassel and the side. All right. Now we're gonna get the beads and make one knot. Once, twice. All right. And then we're gonna open those two, just like so, and place the tassel, the tassel to be in the middle of those strings. And make a knot again. Okay, let's see. Now make another knot. And there you go. Next, we are going to need a little extra of the cord that we have, and use it to finish our tassel. Okay, once you're done wrapping, we're going to cut the excess cord, but we're gonna leave just a tiny bit like so you can use it to tuck it in. Last but not least, I'm getting my cat's brush. I'm gonna try to fluff the ends of the tassel a little bit because I think they look prettier like that. And this is our finished wooden napkin ring. So our second project is going to be beautiful faux wreath for our door, and you'll need wooden beads, since we are in this mood today, pliers, what is this, how is this called, wire, greenery. Again, all the materials you see here are from Michael's. Sorry, Dr. Mike. So the first thing that you want to do is cut a piece of wire, and I'm gonna use my steamer here. This is a vegetable steamer, and because I really like the size of the circle, and I'm gonna try to wrap my wire around and measure how much of this wire I'm going to need to achieve this size. Right, around that much. Oh, there you go. Now I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, so next step is to start adding our beads to the wire. we added our beads to the wire. And now what we're gonna do is get our pliers and twist, and twist the end of our wire just like so. And don't worry about this access wire here. We're gonna start building our flower composition right here, so you're not gonna be able to see absolutely anything. Next step is to start decorating our piece, and I'm gonna use the florals I got from Michael's to do so. So all you have to do is find the part of the garland that you think is gonna look best. I think this is gonna look pretty sweet like that. So let's cut this part. Okay. And first, we're going to use a little bit of the cord that we used in our previous project to hold our flower arrangement. And another one here, perhaps. Cut the access cord. Oh. Now we're gonna get the hot glue and we're gonna glue the parts that we want secured. And we can twist and turn the leaves, the way we think they look prettier. Together a little bit. And to finish off our piece, we're gonna use again the same cord that we used in the previous project. Create a little knot here. For our third project, we're going to create this super cute centerpiece for our table that is flower/pumpkin arrangement, because where the hell do we think we're going with our fall decoration if we don't have a centerpiece to our table? Let me show you what you'll need for it. Okay, so for this last project, you'll need a basket. Again, all the stuff that you see on the table are from Michael's. And don't forget, I'm gonna add a coupon code to the description box if you want to purchase any of those. We have our basket, our florals, pumpkins, more pumpkins, and last but not least, you'll need focus, okay? And then you'll need this foam moist espuma. Okay, first thing, let's open up this foam. We're gonna measure the length of our basket, and we're gonna cut our foam so it's the exact length as the basket. Okay, so far so good. All right, the next step is to start arranging our basket. I'm gonna start by adding the large pumpkins because they're gonna be in the center pieces of my arrangement. So now I'm gonna start adding my greeneries around them.
So please subscribe, whatever.